From News Channel 5 Weather, I'm meteorologist Lelan Statom. As we go in the afternoon, scattered showers and storms. That forecast is similar all weekend. So one of the things that you can do to stay ahead of what is going on is follow us on Storm Shield. While we could see a couple of stray strong storms or a storm warning, the key thing is on Storm Shield for right now, you can follow interactive radar 24/7. Keep that in mind if you're headed to see the Sounds this evening. First pitch, 82 fireworks after the game as they've got Oklahoma City coming into town. Meanwhile, the Renaissance Festival wrapping up the last weekend on Monday, Memorial Day. If you headed out there tomorrow, scattered showers and storms in the forecast. Also want to turn your attention to Alberto. Hurricane season does not start until June 1, but already we've got our first named storm of the season. This is subtropical storm Alberto. There you see the path through the weekend. If you're traveling to, let's say, the Florida Panhandle, southern Georgia, southern Alabama, keep an eye on this system. It's going to dump a lot of rain. There's the forecast through Monday morning. And then as we take you through Tuesday and Wednesday, if this track were to stay that way, now this is several days out, so the path could change, but it could have a greater impact on our weather going into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. But let's talk about what we can expect for our region going into the afternoon. Here is a look at exact track as we work our way through the afternoon with scattered showers and thunderstorms developing. And again, one or two may be on the strong side, but where it does rain, there may be some locally heavy downpours out there. That will stuff gradually dying down tonight, although can't rule out a shower overnight tonight, so we'll keep an eye on that. You can see this version of exact track putting a little bit of activity down around southern Middle Tennessee around the midnight hour. 89 today, mid-80s over the weekend. As you look at that 7-day, the normal high right now is around 80 degrees, so above normal through the weekend. I'm meteorologist Lelan Statom. Make it a good afternoon and have a safe Memorial Day weekend.